everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get a way to make money for free from your cell phone. You don't need a computer or a laptop, you don't need any experience, and this can be done worldwide. You can get paid via PayPal or direct deposit into your bank account. I know people who have made money the first day and the first month, so this method does work, but make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to share with you some tips that'll help you make even more money with this method from your cell phone. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, we're going to be talking about how to do print on demand just from your cell phone. And rather than having to think of some type of design, what we're going to do is think of some sort of saying. There's plenty of best-selling products out there that just have one simple saying on a t-shirt, and we're going to be putting that on a t-shirt, pillow, mask, mug, all different kinds of products. So the first place you can go is just go to pixabay.com or pexels.com and search funny sayings. There's a few of them in here. If we go to Pixabay, you can see that they're not necessarily funny, but they're just clever sayings. If you can read this, bring me some whiskey. I like my cat more than I like people, those kind of things. You can again go to Pexels. There wasn't that many in here. There was stubborn on vision, flexible on details. I really like that. I also like all you need is coffee. You can also go to Pinterest and search funny sayings. I found a lot of great content in here that we could use on a t-shirt design or a mug. You can just scroll through and see some days you eat salads and go to the gym, some days you eat cupcakes and refuse to put on pants. It's called balance. I like that. And then another place you can go is Instagram and search people's pages. Like me being in the healthcare industry for 30 years, I think it's totally hilarious to go to nurses' pages. It just cracks me up because I know what goes on in healthcare. So you can just search some nurses' pages and see what they have on there to get some ideas. Also, you can go to Google and search something like dumbest things ever said. I found something like, just found out that my birthday is on the same day when I was born. I want my first daughter to be a girl. You can search through there and get some ideas. Before we get into number 2, if you're enjoying this content, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon that we can be notified when I upload new videos. And we talk about affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, and money manifestation on this channel. The second thing you're going to do is download Adobe Spark on your iPhone. There is a free version, and you're going to be creating text inside the app the way you want it to show on the product. I'll show you how to do it inside of Canva on this computer, but you want it to be 5,000 by 5,000. And when you go to download it after you create this text, you have the option to remove the background, and you definitely want to do that. In case you're having trouble with Adobe Spark, there's tutorials on YouTube, and most people who are good with computers are more than happy to show you how to use something like this, or your kids can help you. You definitely could find somebody to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. But if you absolutely do not want to do it on your cell phone, I'm going to show you how to do it on your computer. You can go to canva.com and you would go to a custom design. So let me go over to Canva. You would click on create a design right here in the upper right hand corner, and you see where it says custom dimensions. You would put in 5,000 by 5,000 and click on create a new design. And you could just use this blank one here. I would make the writing white and the background black. So we're going to do that, and we're going to take the text here, and whatever font you want, you can change it in here. So I'm going to write, I had already made one inside of Redbubble, but what I'm going to write on here is what my patient said. I think she was the most funny patient that I've had in 30 years. Another therapist was helping her back to bed, and she said, "This is the stupidest world that I've ever lived in." And she had a German accent. She was so hilarious. But I was just going to use that as an example because I thought it was really funny. So then after you do that, just space it out however you want. And you can change the font, of course, and the size. Okay, I'm just going to download it here. And then what we want to do is remove the background, because otherwise you'll have this square on there. Same thing with the Adobe Spark, you want to remove the background. And again, I'm just going to show this to you on a computer so you get the idea of how you'll do it on your cell phone. On a computer, there's something called remove.bg, and that will take out the background. You just upload it, and it just takes a few minutes, and then this removed the black background. Of course, you can't see it because it's white, but this right here, particular one, it isn't free. It was like $1.99 to download the high resolution. You don't want to do this one here because it won't show up right. So just download that, and then you have your text. And then we're going to go to Redbubble and register as a seller for free. Now you can't use Redbubble app on your iPhone because that's just for purchasing. So you want to go to the actual website. I'll leave a link in the description below the video, but it's redbubble.com/about/selling. And so if we go to that site right here, what you'll do is the upper right hand corner where it says sign up, you want to sign up as an artist rather than a customer. You'll put in your email, make a shop name and your password, and just click on sign up. And once you get in here, all you do is just click on add new work. So upper right hand corner here, and then you're just going to upload your design. Okay, so after it's uploaded, of course you can't see it here because it's white on white, but you can change the background color of the shirts here and whatever products that you're going to put this on. So if you want to do it on pillows, shower curtains, anything pretty much they have in here, you can do that. But the most popular is the black. We're going to do that. And we can change it, of course, because this isn't fitting on there. So you can change the size of it and just make it smaller so that it fits inside of the cell phone case. So you get the idea. Pretty much any product that's in here, it will just automatically appear there, and then you can enable it or disable it. So if you don't want it to show up like on a throw or something, you can have it disabled. And then the ones that you do want it to show up on, you can enable it, and again you can edit any of them. After you upload the design and you decide what products you want to sell, then you want to make sure you add relevant keywords. So you'll do that right here. You're going to put your title, relevant keywords, and a description of what your design is about. Before we get into number 5, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. The second link will be how to start a profitable YouTube channel. And after you do that, you have all your designs completed. You want to make sure that you complete your payment details in order to get paid and activate your store. If you don't do this, your products will not be active. You can get paid via PayPal or direct deposit. And I found that once you create your store, it's not active right away. Mine didn't take too long, but it can take up to 48 hours. Just some tips for you to be able to make more money is that black t-shirts with white print sell very well. You can find like most of the best sellers, they're just very simple designs. You want to use words and phrases that potential customers are likely to search for and include them in your title, description, and tags. And when a design starts to sell well, make sure all the products are enabled because people may want to buy more than one thing. And similar designs I would add to the designs that are selling well. So you have something that's selling well, do something really, really similar, or add variations to it, add different colors of t-shirts to it. And I would say use 20 to 25 relevant keywords in your listing, and also upload new listings very regularly, at least one time a month. So you have a lot of products in there for people to choose from. So imagine being able to make money on your cell phone while you're at your kid's soccer game, having coffee at Starbucks, or sitting on the couch watching TV. I hope you go out there and make some money with this method because it really does work. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up, how to make $100 per day online, even if you're broke. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.